People checking back, you see me? We just done apply for the college thing, you see me? What you say, bro?
I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so stay tuned and watch y'all gone. My head back in and now, so that is it. Alright, what's good, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Ashi. Check in, you see me, guys? So, I just want to update you on the whole school thing. Go ahead.
One Colaz TV, never two.
Never two.
No joke.
No
That I pray.
People, with their community college, bro, we need to get a trim, bro. Look at me, bro. A huge trim, brother. But guys, when we get a trim, we look fresh. But right now, I look like a rat.
Something like
Marriage.
new
Colaz
PE uniform.
Bro, I don't really need
I
you,
saw
bro.
it look at
Yeah, I
it.
say, look. Yeah, people. Alright, so, mother say, if we go ask somebody to get the application form fill out, is it? So, that me I gonna know. Brother, earlier the pump suffer. I'm tired. Yeah? Never seen it.
Ya sé,
Wait.
ya sé. Bueno, bonita no.
Could I do that anyway?
I left two lines that hard. Yeah, I had a big line of it from where
Email all in it.
Yeah.
Emails.
You suppose you can put it on the outside still. Which one of them engineering you have, bro?
Anything I do architecture.
Feel like you ever do? Do you even know? People, so check in back.
Boy.
I got papers or so.
Yeah, man, say something.
So my information confidential, so I have to probably look and see what my phone blur out.
Which year, man?
Yeah,
Don't
blur
do
out
this
stuff.
something.
So yeah.
Kenya, which year am I doing it?
Yeah, people, so as I say, we are applying. Still don't know which one of them I'm going to choose yet. Yeah, but this day I go and look see which one is the best option for me right now. Engineering I do. So one out of them courses I'm gonna take.
Which one?
So yeah?
Which one?
I'm gonna say
July. July. This kind of long. I'm gonna write this now. Industrial. There's a shortening for this. Industrial technique.
a mechanical engineering in name. Yeah, people, just stay tuned and watch y'all going, eh? People checking back, you see me? We just done apply for the college thing, you see me? What you say, bro?
I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Yeah, man. Yeah, people, so stay tuned and watch y'all going. My head back in and now, so that is it.
Them a teacher, dog?
Of course, I'm a teacher, bro.
Here, the course fee, bro. 200 and odd thousand. You get scholarship.
Yeah, but to how I get scholarship?
Oh.
The last paper there where you see with sign,
Yeah.
that is scholarship paper, bro.
But you're not have to qualify for
Yeah, so you know must qualify for it. Bro, I feel like everybody get that for sign, bro.
view there, sit up there, look up. So
The mountain though. Yo, the mountain there look. Wow.
where the security give.
No pocket, brother.
Oh,
What I realize, yo, I frightened me for brother. Everything right there, so bro. You frightened me, bro.
I mean the woman
Bro,
being
look
a
on
side, I
that
mean
mountain,
she
bro.
would have on the
Now I see why them call this Mountain View, brother.
I dig in her road about mountain view.
A Mountain View, bro.
The woman just tell me say the campus is on dig in her road.
You sure, bro?
And she take it in my sorry.
This campus, sir? Right there, sir?
You see a mountain view. Guess him with a no car
Brother, rent car and drive come out of school, bro. Yo.
rent car and buy house.
But that is it for you there, you know. You see me? Whoa. This lobster has been marinating for a long time. Look at this.
Guys, stay help.
I'm gonna cook this right now.
Help, guys.
Hmm?
Cannot even turn. It's now. Turn to the back side.
Next one.
Put out the
That's some
bread.
excess water. I'm gonna put it on them stills. Hot sauce. Add more hot sauce. Yeah. Alright.
The brakes right here. On this part is
Yeah, boom. Alright, so I beat them now, real quick. You see me? So stay tuned.
guys, you hang this.
Jacia, do it. Jacia, you see I squish them. Take your time on that. Who is videoing me? Jacia, why are you videoing Jacia? It's planting. Like plan?
Huh?
Like this. Then we go like this. See?
Yes.
And then plant your overripe stills. So, you know what to stop it? Click. Move your hand, move your hand. That is lobster.
Yeah.
Oops, gosh. Okay, I don't know. Step back, step back. Oh, and here they go. Yes,
What
Let's
and
do some breadfruit too.
I'm back to two. Type it in here, please. I want to be here. Let me help you.
What is this? What is
It's
It's a breadfruit.
beetroot.
What is this?
Beetroot.
Okay. You're a camera girl?
Hmm?
You're a camera girl?
Yeah. What do you want?
Hi. Alright. Now this is ready. Yeah. There's some big plantains over there. So I'm gonna take them out now. Real quick. Because it's hot. Alright peeps, so this is how it's looking, is it?
Share.
Gravy, what are you doing? Boom. Alright, this is for mix, this is for me. So this is for me, this is for mix.
He says he in love.